Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, North York, local and long-distance movers near me. There are many struggles you need to go through before moving to a different place. This includes dealing with a bunch of realtors and landlords, which can be really frustrating. In addition to this, moving means that you might be putting all of your hard-earned and sentimental belongings at risk. This is why choosing the right moving company is important. Luckily, 3 Movers provides a safe and sound service which guarantees that your belongings arrive safely at the destination. With our meticulous and in-depth planning strategies, we will provide you with an exceptionally risk-free moving service. If we can offer long-distance moving services, surely we can offer you our local moving assistance too. With the help of our experienced and friendly movers, there is no need for you to worry about the heavy lifting. If you have numerous fragile belongings such as computers, laptops, or television sets, we can move them quickly without worry. 3 Movers ensures that all of our clients receive the best treatment and top-notch moving experience there is. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North York moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.